बाय बोलो सबको। What's poppin' people? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Actually आज का प्लान बहुत ही ज़्यादा था, आधा कट हो गया. So what is the program for today? सृजन का न्यू साउंड बार हैज़ कम. वो पता नहीं उसको साउंड बार क्यों चाहिए था, पर उसके रूम में ही वांटेड अ साउंड बार फॉर हिज टीवी. इट इज़ कम, इट इज़ इन हिज रूम. सृजन इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी इन प्रॉबली. अगर आज शाम भी अगर व्लॉग करेंगे शाम को रहेगा, पर तब तक नहीं रहेगा. मेरा प्रोग्राम एक्चुअली ये था. फर्स्ट डे I had to fix the soundbar on his TV. We'll go unbox it, fix it. उसके बाद सारे बाइक्स को वॉश करना है. उसके बाद I actually wanted to go to the Ducati showroom to get my Ducati checked once. Oh, it had a recent fall, right? Although superficially there's nothing wrong with the bike, no indication, but still I just wanted to go and get it checked once. So I wanted to go there, but वो plan biscuit हो गया क्योंकि the technician is not available today. And वापस from tomorrow I'll be busy. I'm actually traveling to Delhi on Sunday morning. I was flying for the past 3 days as well. So today was the only day for doing anything and everything. वो possible नहीं था. And again शाम को 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock we are playing cricket. मेरी बीवी को भी नहीं पता, अभी बता रहा हूँ. ऐसे लुक दी मेरे को. अच्छा.
This is better than before, I can say. Oh, Nangu Pangu! Aggie Babu! Come here! No! No!
That was Aggie Boy vlogging for you guys today. Tan 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 tan. So that is the program. Abhi bikes have already kept it out. It is 11:20 in the morning. I should have started that already, but I'm feeling lazy यार. पूरा बाइक्स बाहर रखा. हाँ. And a couple of things. In the last video, you people told us there's a lot of notification sound. Yeah, we are very sorry for that, guys. But come on, that is your love for us. That is एक बार भूल गया यार. Every time you keep it silent, obviously. Don't blast us that way. It is your messages on Instagram which were coming to Srujan. It was nothing else. So those are the number of messages he gets. So if he doesn't reply to few of them, understand it is difficult to reply to so many people. ये हो गया. That is one thing which is clarified. The second thing, a very very funny incident happened very recently in the tune of in the month of October itself. So somebody went to one of the showrooms in Hyderabad, one of the premium bike showrooms. I can't name the showroom. And they said that they're friends of Rohit and Srujan. Yeah, even Shraddha is listening to this for the first time. And they wanted a test ride of a particular bike. And it was very difficult to give test rides because it was a new bike or whatever. But the problem was, he said Srujan works for him, and because obviously we've got that a little bit of influence in all these showrooms, as in people know us now in all of these premium bike showrooms. So they thought ठीक है, is a genuine buyer, तो उसको टेस्ट राइड देती है. उसके बाद वो गायब.
What?
टेस्ट नहीं, बाइक लेके गायब नहीं.
Okay.
टेस्ट राइड के लिए ऐसे फ्रॉड कर, ऐसे मत करो. बाइक लेके गायब नहीं. उतना
मेरी फट गई, मेरे को लगा बाइक लेके गायब.
नहीं यार, टेस्ट राइड. टेस्ट राइड के लिए भी इतना ये मत करो यार. इट इज whoever that guy is, I know his name also, but it's not good to do it on social. But that is cheap. ऐसे चीज़ें मत करो. चलो, अग्गू को रेडी होने के बाद we'll take अग्गू to Srujan's room. We'll unbox. I'll just show you. बड़ा क्यूट लग रहा है ये ड्रेस में. हमारा बॉस बेबी is ready. He's actually looking into the camera. Impressive actually. So सुरजू के रूम जाएंगे. अग्गी's mummy is getting ready. उसके बाद इसको दे देंगे. All the bikes are there. They are actually ready to be washed. Dude, babysitting is difficult. Aggu has gone to his mom. He stays with me till the time his mom is not around. जैसे वो बाथरूम से बाहर आई रेडी होके, क्या रोना, bloody he was crying like as if I was bloody torturing him and hitting him. Chalo, now let's unbox this soundbar. It's not expensive. It is by how do you pronounce this? Blaupont. Blaupont. But yeah, it's about $4,000 on Amazon. And chalo, I'll unbox it and show it to you guys in a bit. मेरा बड़ा बेटा, इसको attention कम हो गया ना, तो jealousy. That is all. This is the sound bar. They given the cable to attach it to the TV, and that's it. Yeah, there's nothing fancy about it. It's a cheap sound bar. But फिर भी we can just test the sound and all, right?
What's popping YouTube?
Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
ये एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं कि दूसरा डे है बट सेम डे 2 मिनट के बाद we restarted it and at the start and previously the part of the video you saw me I was super done. I'm back. I have a lot of energy just because मैं पे चला गया and
So that is fixed. It is an easy fix, guys. There's nothing much to do. Just the aux in and it's done. The sound quality, I would rate it about 7 on 10, not more than that. I don't expect it to be more than that for this price point. So let's go down. Let's start washing the bikes. That's gonna take an eternity. 4 bikes. It's 12:05 now, and I think it'll take another 2 hours for that. And it's hot. So let's go.
The sunglasses, guys, it's bloody hot. The sun, I have no idea where the clouds are. Like, it is not a freaking cloud in the sky. It is blistering hot. I forgot one more thing. Nee, I'm lucky. Okay, this is our new box. I thought I forgot the keys for this, but yeah, all the shampoos and everything are in this. Sometimes a lot of you guys even ask which shampoo do I use. Nothing in particular. Yeah, right now I'm using this. Got this off I don't know, Amazon itself, I guess. So it doesn't matter, any shampoo will work as long as you actually clean the bike well. So it doesn't matter which automobile shampoo you use, clean it well, it'll work. You want to see the condition of the bike before we start? Okay, here you go. A little bit of dirty bikes coming up, all the 4 of them. Or in fact, you must be seeing a 5th bike right there. Belongs to a friend. I'm not going to watch that. The bike is super clean right now. There's been a small problem with that bike, and the spares are yet to arrive, so he left it in our house till the time the spares comes. Okay, now just look at the condition of our bikes and then let's start washing them. How well does the pressure washer work? It does very good job actually. Instead of paying somebody, if you go to the showroom, they charge about $500 plus for a wash. Something you can do yourself. So Street Triple is done. It is freaking hot. I am energy zapped. Absolutely, there's no energy left in me. It is exactly what time now? Should be about 1:30. Hey, phone. Yeah, 1:28. Street Triple was done relatively faster. That's only because it's much smaller bike than the Ducati. Oh my god, I need some water, and I need to get the Thruxton single seat out as well. It's inside. Why is it so hot today? I thought it'll be cloudy here. It was such a beautiful day yesterday. Papa sar garam ho gaya. Chalo, anyways, I need to get going. I just met a couple of my subscribers. They've just come home I had no energy actually to get them on cam because I was actually washing the bike. Cam was a little far away. So that is her, absolutely dripping away at the bottom, a little water from the radiator, but the rest of the bike is clean. This portion we've lost the clear coat on the bike here, yahan pe on this side, dono side. Because whenever we go on rides, we put our bags and all, those keep scuffing up. So the clear coat till here, this patch is actually gone. Forget about the ceramic, even the clear coat is gone. So we need to get it done sometime. Chalo, I'll put this bike, and obviously there'll be a startup of all the bikes, and including the Street Triple RS which is at home. That thing is a bloody monster when it comes to sound. It's got a free flow exhaust and it is like scary loud. Like last time I turned it on, forget about revving it, I turned it on and Aggie got scared and he started crying. So time for that as well, after washing the bikes though, all the bikes, and that will be the last one. Thruxton is done. I know I'm just calling you, telling you guys that this bike is done, that bike is done, but actually it is taking a lot of time to do this. It is 2:10 in the afternoon. One bike left and the garage is also left. My mom was like, you know, you're doing all this, clean the garage as well, it is dirty. I agree. Too much of dirt, filth, grime from all these bikes. So ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. उसके बाद I'll take bath, have lunch, and then start the bikes and surety. Before that I don't have energy. I'm really sorry. Oh my god, dude. Now it has become a little better. Like यहाँ पे there is shade. The sun is gone behind the house, and so it is a little easier to do it. It was earlier, you know, until about 1:45 तक पूरा धूप था. It was like very difficult. Now last 15-20 minutes I'm a little more comfortable. No, I should say much more comfortable. The sun is not beating down on me, so perfect. With ये कर सकते हैं, not a problem now. So then I'll get done with this bike. Obviously I can't hold the camera. Problem is I don't have a chest mount or something for the GoPro as well. So I'll turn off the camera, wash the bikes, wash this bike, wash the shed, get ready, and then I'll come back to you. 3:05 in the evening. Garage is done, bikes are done. Lunch nahi hua abhi tak. Super duper hungry. I feel like I'm going to fall down. I'm not going to eat anytime soon now. I will go take bath. Srujan, you owe me something very big, dude. Chalo, I'll go take bath, eat food. Super duper late, super duper hungry. After khana, I'll meet you guys again.
All the people who want Aggie to do the next to vlog completely A to Z in blah blah blue blue language, give a like to this video. Chalo guys, we will go out, we'll start the bikes, we'll take a go. I might be the most baddest dad on the planet because that bike which belongs to a friend, उसको भी start करेंगे. I'm pretty sure this guy is gonna cry.
हाँ, he's scared.
उसका आवाज़ रेव करने से पहले ही रोया था last time.
बाकी कोई भी बाइक से नहीं डरता.
हाँ. So let's go out. Let's start again. Actually, wishing each and every one of you a happy Dussehra. तुम लोग सब party
First Dussehra with you all guys.
हाँ. But I will be in Delhi.
As always, तू हर फेस्टिवल पे रहता ही कहाँ है? Nothing new.
We'll start off with my favorite bike, as in the exhaust. all of you know, right? The Ducati actually had a fall. So abhi uske baad actually the bike was washed for the first time. I can confirm that crash bars are a lifesaver. So if you buy any bike, please do install something of that sort. It does protect your bike. I'll show you what is the damage which happened. So you see this, that's it, and yahan pe this one. Nothing happened to the bike, like not a scratch, not a hairline scratch. Okay, this is the RS which we have. It's got I don't even know what is that.
Exhaust?
Yeah, some Racewit exhaust. It's a free flow exhaust, and it is freaking loud. I personally didn't like it. There might be people who like it or not, but it is too loud for my liking.
So many people don't like it. You like Benelli, no? Because it was loud.
No, it was sweet.
Come on, it's loud. Benelli is loud.
इसका देखते हैं.
तेरा आने थोड़े दिन बाद तेरा परसेप्शन चेंज हो गया एंड यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग लाउड बाइक्स एनीमोर. बुढ़ा हो रहा है मेरा पति इसलिए.
I told Shraddha to be a little away, like decently away. Let's start her up. That's a cold start. So let it warm up. We'll come back in about 40 seconds to blip her. Okay, get ready for this madness. I'm not going to show you the bike obviously. I'm going to show you Akko. मेरे कान actually फट रहे. I'm pretty sure I can't hear anything else for the next 5 minutes now. It is louder than my aircraft. And I'm not joking, it is actually louder than my aircraft. Oof.
अगू डरे से रिकॉर्ड हुआ
होगा. Chalo guys, wish you an amazing Dussehra. Stay blessed everybody. Be safe. Till the next vlog. Bye.
Ta-da!
Love you guys. Yesterday I came back home around 1 o'clock. Office से 7:30 को छूटा. I went to play cricket and I came back home around 1 o'clock. छोटा सा issue हुआ. We did not complete the entire match because Rohit got hit on the eye by the ball. Look at that. God, you look like a crazy fellow. So I got hit bad by the ball on the eye. So we already got checked by the doctor. He said
कुछ नहीं होगा. It's a bloody clot. It's not a permanent damage.
It's a clot. So he gave few drops and few medicines as well. So probably it will take 2 weeks to heal because it's a eye injury. It takes quite a lot of time to heal. I guess he still
I
has.
was supposed to go to Delhi now. I didn't go because obviously this condition. I reported sick. And
I guess क्या रहे. He has blurry vision एक आंख से. 2 दिन तक रहेगा for sure that.
अभी in fact video 11 o'clock को आना था today.
Because of all this drama.
We couldn't edit. Srujo again is heading to the office on a Sunday on Dussehra. So now after this I'm going to finish the edit, upload it as soon as possible.
We'll not have the 11 AM schedule time for this
particular
only for
video.
this particular video. Sorry for this and
But happy Dussehra again. Stay safe everybody.
Peace boys.
Bye. Love you.